morning, class. Today we're going to make peanut butter cookies. As we read in the book Pizza Pokey, they were cooking and they had a lot of fun, so I thought we could bake cookies. And here's my recipe. It's a very easy recipe. 3 ingredients: peanut butter, and if you'd like to use soy nut butter or other peanut butter substitute, you can do that as well. So you need peanut butter, you need 2 eggs, which I already cracked, 2 eggs, and sugar. You need about 1 1/4 cup of sugar. And basically you can use this 16-ounce can of peanut butter, and that's the right amount. So it's just 3 ingredients, and it's even gluten-free because there's no flour. So you just scoop the whole can of peanut butter in. I like to layer the peanut butter and the sugar. Pour some of the sugar in, and even drop an egg in as you go, and then scoop a little bit more of that. Makes it a little bit easier to stir. So just get all the peanut butter out of the can. Alright, that's all scooped. So we got all the peanut butter. Pour the rest of the sugar and the other egg. And then we're going to stir with a spoon until it's all nice and stirred. So you get to practice your stirring. Almost there, just a little bit more. You got to get the bottom, get the sugar in the bottom, so the texture's just right. And I think it looks almost ready. Everything's mixed in. That looks just right. And the cookie sheets are ready right here, so we're going to take and scoop I'm just going to grab the spoons, just lift it up. We're going to scoop the cookies on, 3 in a row. Just about a scoop full should be good. 3 across, and 4 down. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you fill in the rest of the cookie sheet just like that. If you want, you can even add chocolate chips. You sprinkle them on just like this, if you'd like. And then you have some peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies, and you fill in your cookie sheet. Oh, we forgot to turn on the oven. You need to turn the oven on to 350 and set it to 350. You'll bake them for about 13 minutes and check them when they're done, and then you let them cool and you eat them. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.